Hello everyone, this is Andrew at Crown Academy of English. Today we are doing a grammar lesson all about possessive pronouns. So let's start. So here we are with an introduction. That pen is my pen, not your pen. Now, this sentence is correct, but it is not natural because we are repeating the noun. We have the noun here, here, and also here. So we are repeating it, and it doesn't sound very good. Okay? So the sentence is grammatically correct, but it is not very good. So to avoid repeating the noun, we can use possessive pronouns. For example, so here is the old sentence. That pen is my pen, not your pen. So, as I have said, it is correct, but not natural. So the solution is that pen is mine, not yours. And this is much better. Okay? So here we are using possessive pronouns, mine and yours. And in the original sentence, we were in fact using possessive adjectives, my and your. Okay? So they were correct, but the only problem was that we had already said the word pen here. So it is better to avoid repeating them. So to stop repeating the word pen, we use the possessive pronouns. Okay? So, possessive pronouns, they describe who owns something, and they replace the noun and also the possessive adjective. So we can see here, we replace the noun and possessive adjective, my pen, with the word mine. And your pen, we replace it with yours. Okay? Possessive pronouns, they can be the subject of a sentence. For example, I don't like your pen, mine is better. So mine is the subject of the sentence because it means my pen is better. It is the subject. Or possessive pronouns can be the object of a sentence. I don't like your pen. Do you like mine? So here, mine is the object of the sentence. And it means, do you like my pen? It is the object. Also, very important, each possessive pronoun is the same for singular and plural nouns. So there is no difference if the noun is plural or if the noun is plural or if the noun is singular. We use the same possessive pronoun. For example, singular, Mark says, "Is it your pen?" And I say, "Yes, it's mine." So we use mine to describe the singular noun. And in the plural, Mark says, "Are they your pens?" And I reply, "Yes, they are mine." Okay? So here, mine, we are referring to a noun in the plural, pens. Pens is plural. But we use the same possessive pronoun. Okay? It's the same for singular and plural. In English, there are 7 possessive pronouns. and in this lesson you will learn all of them. First person singular. Is that your watch? Yes, it's mine. So mine is the first person singular. And that is, the personal pronoun is I. And the corresponding adjective, possessive adjective, is my plus noun. Second person singular. Hello Mark, I like that bike. Is it yours? And another example. I have a fast bike, but yours is faster. So the word yours is the second person singular. And that refers to you when it is the personal pronoun, and your plus noun when it is the possessive adjective. Okay? So it has an S on the end, but remember, we always use the same possessive pronoun for a singular noun and a plural noun. Important. When we write it, there is no apostrophe in the word yours. Yours is faster with an apostrophe is wrong. Without an apostrophe, yours is faster is correct. Very important when we are writing it. Third person singular, male. Jane's car is red, but his is black. Jane is going to sell her car, but Mark is going to keep his. So the word his is the third person singular, male. So the third person singular, well, the personal pronoun is he, and the possessive adjective is his plus the noun. Third person singular, female. Why is Claire wearing my necklace? It's not your necklace, it's hers. Why is Claire holding my shoes? They are not your shoes, they are hers. In this example, it is referring to a singular noun. There is one singular necklace, hers. But here, it is plural. The noun is shoes. Okay? But we use the same possessive pronoun, hers. So it's the same for singular and plural. Of course, the only thing that changes is the verb. Here it is singular. It is hers. And here the verb be is plural. They are hers. But the the possessive pronoun is the same. Hers is the third person singular, female. And the personal pronoun is she. And her plus noun is the possessive adjective. Important, again, when we are writing, there is no apostrophe in hers. This is very important. They are hers with an apostrophe is wrong. And this is right. This is correct. Third person singular, neuter. So I say, my neck is short, but is long. So what do we say here? What is the third person singular neuter? Well, in fact, very important, there isn't one, okay? This is an exception. There is no real common possessive pronoun for the third person singular neuter. Okay, some people will say it's here, but it is wrong. So what is the solution? Well, we have two possible solutions. One, we use the possessive adjective it's with a noun. For example, my neck is short, but its neck is long. So we are using the possessive adjective it's with the noun neck. Okay, so unfortunately we are repeating the noun neck, but there is no real other solution. The second possibility is we can use an apostrophe with the owner, with the person or the animal who owns the neck or who owns the noun. For example, my neck is short, but the giraffe's neck is long. So the owner is giraffe. So we write it with an apostrophe and an S to show possession, followed by the noun. This is what he owns. It is his neck, its neck. Okay? Again, there is repetition here. We are repeating the word neck, but there is no other solution. First person plural. We have a new car. It is ours. Ours is the first person plural. So that is we or our plus the noun. Okay? Ours with an S. Second person plural. You have a new computer. It's yours. Another example. I have a computer, but it is very old. Yours is newer. So yours is the second person plural. So you plural, or your plus the noun is the possessive adjective. They have a new armchair. It is theirs. Another example. My armchair is blue. Theirs is red. So this is the third person plural. Okay, the third person plural. I'm sorry I didn't write it in the title, but it is the third person plural, which means they as the personal pronoun or their plus noun is the possessive adjective. Important. Again, there is no apostrophe in theirs. This is wrong, but this is right. This is correct. And again, very important when we are writing. Okay? So here is the summary of the list of all the possessive pronouns in English. So, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs. Okay? So this table is very important. Exercise. Replace the possessive adjective plus noun with a possessive pronoun. Example. How is your meal? My meal is delicious. Well, the answer here is, how is your meal? Mine is delicious. So we are replacing my meal with the possessive pronoun mine. because this, when it is like this, we are no longer repeating the word meal. Okay? Question 1. And I will give you a few seconds. The answer is, we don't know their address and they don't know ours. Question 2. The answer is, Jane's keys are in the bag, but where are yours? Question 3. The answer is, if you don't have a pen, you can borrow mine. Question 4. I don't like my garden, but your garden is nice. That is the question. And the answer is, I don't like my garden, but yours is nice. Question 5. The answer is, Mark's train has left, but mine is late. Question 6. The answer is, my camera is broken, but theirs is working. And the last question. The answer is, Mark loves his job, but Jane hates hers. Okay? So those are the answers to the exercise. And that is the end of the lesson. So if you want to subscribe, you can click here on the screen. Here is my Twitter account. And here are some other videos which you might be interested in. So to start each video, simply click on the screen. Okay? So that is the end. My name is Andrew at Crown Academy of English. Thanks for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.